If you find it difficult, then start before the beginning and stop after the end. So let's get started with this code. My name is Aman Tripathi and that's the second problem of CODECHEF May 21 long challenge named golf. So you can see the problem is in front of you. You can read this. It's a lockdown. You are bored in the house and you are playing golf in the hallway. We can't play golf in our house. The hallway has n plus 2 tiles numbered from 0 to n plus 1 from left to right. There is a hole on the tile number x. You hit the ball standing on the tile 0. When you hit the ball, it bounces at length of k. The tiles covered by it are 0, k, 2k and so on until the ball passes tile n plus 1. If the ball doesn't enter the hole in the first trial, you try again, but this time standing on the tile n plus 1, which is the last one. When you hit the ball, it bounces at lengths of k. The tiles covered by it are n plus 1 minus k, n plus 1 minus 2k and so on until the ball passes the tile 0. Find if the ball will enter the hole either in its forward journey or backward journey. So this is the problem. You have to take input the number of test cases t and the n plus 1 tiles, so n will be given and x and a k. You have to output in the yes and no only. So going towards the code, this is the Python code for this problem. As you can see, it's a very simple problem. Only 5 lines of codes are required to solve this. In the first line I have also written that you have to take the user input of the tests, number of tests which has to be followed, and after that you have to start a loop to test all those cases. After that I have taken the input nxk from the user, and this dot split attribute is used in Python to split all the given values, and by using this we can take the inputs in all 3 variables. After that, this is the logic for the forward journey and the backward journey. If the ball will go into the tile x, then the tile x must be divided by the k, the number of tiles covered. And similarly from the backward journey we have to check, and we can print yes and no. So this is a simple problem. I hope you understand. So thank you friends, and I have also tried this, and this is the Python IDE of the CODECHEF. I will run this for you. These are the custom input given in the problem. You can see the output is given yes, no and no. It's the same output they are asking for, and I have already solved this problem as I told, so I will not submit it again. You can see I have solved these first four problems yet, so I'll not submit this. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. See you again. Thank you.